everyone, welcome you all to my channel. I, Swapna Nikale, read books, review books and also share book summary through this channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get immediate notifications whenever a new content is released. In this video, I will be discussing about the books which I have read in the month of November 2024 and December 2024. And we'll also do a final wrap up of the year 2024. The first book which I have read in the month of November 2024 is One of Us is Lying by Karen McManus. This is an young adult fiction. This is the first time I have read an young adult fiction, and also it is thriller filled. It's quite good. The situation is revolving around a high school where there are four characters. Brownwin, who is actually a nerd, very good in studies, and a sports star, his name is Cooper. And there is a person named Nate who is already having a criminal record in his name. And there is a prom queen who is like fashionista, her name is Addie. And there are several other characters. And there is one more character, that is Simon, who is actually the creator of a notorious gossiping app where he shares the insider details. So the details are very insulting and demeaning. So he actually has a lot of enemies. There is a scenario where all these five people are in a detention, and Simon, who actually needs medical injection frequently, he faces the health hazard. And if you see, the health department in the school is not having that specific medicine. Actually, it is stocked, but that time when Simon is facing the problem, the medicines are all vanished. And the story revolves around the other four students in the detention with him, who is Brownwin, Cooper, Nate and Addie. So this is a very good read. You can read it as a Halloween read. Being a Freda McFadden fan, this was not that much nerve-wracking or thriller filled, but still it has a lot of good twist. At the end, you will not believe who actually is the killer. The way the novel was written was very good and much interesting. There are two more parts with following these books. One of Us is next, and Two Can Keep a Secret. I was planning to continue that series, but later on I thought I have few other books which I have to go through. So I had stopped with the part 1 of the series. Further books I will be reading in the forthcoming year. I have rated 4 stars for this book. The next book which I have read in the month of November 2024 is The Bookshop Woman by Nanako Hanada. This book is about the life journey of the actual author of this book. She has faced a rock bottom in her life. She is also going through some problems in her marital life also. And eventually the marriage breaks. She is actually an introvert. The story is like a journey of an introvert to become an extrovert. Again, there is some app, like a dating app, where she joins and she meets different people. Meeting is actually held by mutually sharing a timing, and they meet in a public place. So Nanako Hanada also meets different strangers. But there is one thing, each person shares something they are very well at. Like Nanako Hanada is a person who is working in a book shop. So she has a lot of knowledge about books. So she says that she will be interacting with the stranger, and based on the stranger's recommendation or the character, she will be suggesting some of the books to the stranger. This is the way how she meets many people, how's her journey of becoming a book reader, and what's currently happening, and how she's becoming an extrovert. She learns many good and also many challenges whenever she meets different strangers. So this was quite a good book. So if you are an introvert, if you are planning like how to interact with the people in the world, so this book will be a very good start for you. I have rated 4 stars for this book. The next book which I have read in November 2024 is Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma's book I have already read one more, that is the Success Mantra. There is one more book which I have assigned for the year 2025, which is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I know I'm very late, but still I don't want to miss it. And even this book I had, I think I bought it 2 or 3 years back, but still I have not read. Then I got this book and then I thought I should give a try. As you know, Robin Sharma's books are filled with motivations and insights. So if you feel like you are not a voracious reader or you cannot carry a big and bulky book, this book is must go for you, a must go motivational book. Please give a try. So the chapters are very small, hardly a page or two. So you can see this is one of the chapter. So it goes from page 1, 2 and this. It's very small. Some chapters are just hardly one page. But the message conveyed is up to the mark and very crisp, and it will seriously motivate you to do something well in your life. But when I came to know about the name like Who Will Cry When You Die, I felt that the book may be about people skills, so that you will have a lot of people to cry when you die. It's not like that. But this book is definitely filled with a lot of motivations. So if you need a quick motivation in less time in an easy book, so please go with this. Definitely I have rated 5 stars to this book. The next book which I have read in the month of December 2024 is Crying in H Mart by Michelle Zauner. This book is very good. The book is about Michelle Zauner, her life of how she transformed from an adolescent, like I should say, a careless adolescent, and how she has become an responsible adult, and the journey of her life from her parents right from her adolescent stage to the age where her mother dies because of cancer. So this is like a journey. It's a tear-filled journey. Definitely this book is a must read for daughter and son. So if you have a daughter or a son, kindly give this book as a gift to them. Or if you are a daughter and a son, please read this book. This will definitely teach you that how much your parents are working hard to meet your needs, and also how much they love you. Yeah, in this book, as it said, the mother is very strict with Michelle. You know, Asian families, they are always strict, right? For everything, it should be up to the mark. They don't want anything to be taken very lightly. So the same is the case with Michelle Zauner. But if you see, there is a challenge. Though she is an Asian, and also her mother is also an Asian, but her dad is an American. So they stay in America. So think about an Asian family and an Asian mother staying in America. So obviously Michelle is much into the westernization culture, but her mother is an Asian. She doesn't go with the westernization culture. So in the adolescent stage, Michelle has a lot of problems with their parents. There was a time she even calls 911 to complain about her parents. See, it was a shocking thing for the Asian parents. We cannot imagine to do that to our parents, but she does that. And later on, she explores her musical career. And there was a time she gets a call from her mother that she's in an advanced stage of cancer. So the journey, how she takes care of her mother, and how she explores the Korean food. She's from Korea. So how she explores the Korean food, how much she tries to gain the love of her mother, how much she feels that why she has lost that love during her adolescent stage. So this book is definitely to be read to you when you are a son and a daughter, to understand about your parents' emotions. I have rated 4 stars to this book. The next book which I have read in the December 2024 is The 4 Agreements by Miguel Ruiz. Just check out the size of the book and also the width. It's very small, but don't underestimate by its size. The book is filled with immense knowledge. I will be definitely sharing a special video on this specific book. This book just highlights about 4 principles. I would like to highlight the 4 principles to you here. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally. Don't make assumptions. Always do your best. So they say that these are the 4 agreements. These are the 4 code of conduct will help you to lead a better life, freedom of having a good life, motivational aspect, and also aspire you to become some good individual in the society. So I will be sharing a separate video on this book. I'm glad that I got this copy and I read this book. You can very well see I have made a lot of underline notes, etc. Definitely I'll share a video on this book separately. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will get the notification. Definitely I have rated 5 stars to this book. There is one more sequel to this book, that is these are the 4 agreements. There is 5th Fifth Agreement of the same author, and also co-authored by his son. So that book I want to give a try. I want to know what is the Fifth Agreement over there. So I have added that to my TBR. The next book which I have read in December 2024 is I Decided to Live As Me by Kim Seon. This book I came to know from the BTS reality show, that is Bon Voyage. So I heard one of the star was actually reading this book. So definitely I wanted to try this book. As I told you in the earlier videos, this copy was only available in Korean. The translation was not available. 1 year back I was searching about this book, but it was there in only Korean language. I just don't know how I have to read it because I don't know the language. And suddenly somewhere I saw that this book is available in English. So I surfed through Amazon and I got that this book is available in English, and it was not released. I think I pre-ordered the copy. The copy was supposed to be released in December 2024. So I ordered the book, and immediately I think I had completed the 4 agreements. So next I started with this book. This book, yes, it is for every age groups. Whoever is using social media or is actually influenced by the social media, they have to read this book. There are 2 worlds right now, if you have to see, when we have reached the social media, that is the reality world and the virtual world. See, right now also you're looking at me. Weekly we interact like 10 minutes. If my video is 10 minutes, we are interacting for 10 minutes, right? So I share information about the books which I am reading it. But definitely there are lots of challenges, lots of decisions, lots of thinking that is going in my mind. But what you get is only from this 10-minute video. Imagine you are a fan of a celebrity. You see the celebrity is spending a lot of money in clothes or accessories, or the celebrity is always happy. What we are seeing is their life on camera. Their real life is completely beyond that. But what we do, we constantly compare ourselves with them, right? So that is what you have to stop to do it. You have to decide to live as yourself. So this book is completely about you, how you have to live your life as yourself. Everyone is special in every way. I'm special in a different way. You are special in a different way. So we should not try to compare ourselves with others and mimic their life. So I'll highly recommend this book to every individual who has reached the age of 13 to be read this book, because they are the people who are constantly involved in the social networking and they compare themselves with the other people, the celebrities and other peoples, right? So this is a must read book for those age groups, and obviously it is also a good read for all the other age groups. The book is very simple, similar to Robin Sharma. Hardly 1 page or something. You can see this is one of the chapter, you can see it's from 1 page, and then that's it. And there are very beautiful illustrations involved which you will enjoy a lot. So the illustrations is mainly about the motivational quote which is being shared by the author to you. So the illustrations are actually done by the author. Even the cover design is also done by the authors. It's very good. You can see a lot of information. I have already highlighted it. So it's a good book. Again, a very short read, very easy to go motivational book for all ages, and it will definitely help you to how to stop yourself from comparing to others and how to be yourself purely, irrespective of any other influence. I have given 4 stars to this book. The next book which I have read in the December 2024 is, yes, I couldn't stop myself. I wanted to read Freda McFadden. So I read Never Lie. I never regret that I have read this book. I regretted that I read this book very late, It's awesome. It's thrillerful, mind-blowing. What not I have to say about this book. The writing, I'm just wondered how Freda can think, how she can think. I think I have already read 3 books of Freda McFadden, the Housemaid series, all the 3 books, and then this is the 4th book. I also have a 5th book, The Teacher. I think I was about to read after this, but I stopped myself. If you speak about this book, this is about the story of 2 newlyweds. Her name is Trisha and the guy name is Ethan. So they are in search of their dream house. So they come to a house where it is previously owned by a psychiatrist, and her name is Dr. Adrienne. And when they move into the house, due to some circumstances, they are stuck over there. They cannot go further because of the heavy snowstorm. Trisha stays there and hears about the recording tape of the psychiatrist. The recording tape holds a conversation between the psychiatrist and the patients. So there are a lot of plot twists involved. Please, whoever is a thriller or psychological thriller reader over there, please read this book. Never miss this. So these are my reads of the month November and December. That's all, everyone. With this, we are going to wrap up the year of 2024. The year was indeed a good, fun thrill. Lot of knowledge I have obtained it. So I was very happy to share the knowledge through this channel to you. Kindly subscribe to this channel because I'm planning to release a lot of videos based on the books which I have read it, so that you will not miss the insights which I have received from those books. And also stay tuned so that in future I'm planning to read a lot of books which will definitely help you to have a successful career and also a successful life ahead. Also like and share this video to other bibliophiles. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. Happy New Year, everyone.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game.